Good evening to Madam Katie and Miss Amina. My name is Alicia Norina Anak Jawa and my student ID is 2024695208. And for today, I'm going to presenting my individual assignment, CodeQuest Blocks to Code. For the introductions, CodeQuest Blocks to Code is a mobile educational puzzle game designed to introduce children aged 7 to 12 to the fundamentals of computer programming. In the game, players guide a small robot character across grid of tiles by assembling sequences of movement commands with the goal of reaching a designated target tiles in each level. As players advance, the game gradually layers in core programming structure of an actual program without requiring the players to type a single line of code at the early stage. For these project problems, the first one is block-only ceiling. Lightboard and other similar apps rely entirely on icon-based drag and drop commands from start to finish. Independent review notes that experienced player or advancing learner quickly find the difficulty is easy for them once they have grasped the underlying logic due to the app never asks them to engage with anything resembling real code syntax. There is no built-in bridge from visual block logic to the text-based programming languages that children will eventually need to learn in secondary school and beyond. The second problem is steep difficulty curve with minimal feedback. Review of Lightboard consistently describe a difficulty curve that escalates quickly with many visually similar levels and very little explanation when a player's program fails. This works against the learning goals of the app for younger or less confident learners ages 7 to 12 years old who may become frustrated and do not want to play it rather than understanding why the solutions didn't work. The last one is no structured record of learning progress for their guardians. Most existing block coding games for this age group are designed to be independent, single-player puzzle apps. They typically do not track the learner's progress against specific programming concepts in a way that a parent or teacher could review. They also did not provide a persistent account system that allows a child progress to be preserved and reviewed over time across devices. For this project objective, the first one, to design and develop mobile puzzle games that teaches the fundamental logic of computer programming to children aged 7 and 12 through an engaging game format. The second one is to evaluate the usability and educational effectiveness of the game through user testing with the target age group. The last one is to provide a structured account and progress tracking system that record the children's computer levels, star earned, and mastery of individual programming concepts that are viewable by the children themselves and their guardians. The project scope is researching age-appropriate programming concepts and existing coding games and suitable for children aged 7 to 12. The second one is designing an interactive puzzle game with both block mode and code mode where player guide a robot to target a tile. The third one, it is to develop a simple account and progress tracking system for children and their guardians. And the last one, to test the application for usability, gameplay difficulty, and educational effectiveness. The impact of these applications is meaningful on children aged 7 to 12 years old who are learning to code for the first time. By turning programming logic into a game, the application makes the learning to code feel fun and approachable rather than intimidating. Combining puzzle solving with gradual exposure to real code can capture the child's interest, leading to a greater motivation, confidence, and stronger understanding of programming concepts. This early positive experience with coding can leave a lasting impression, sparking the children's curiosity and a willingness to keep on learning further beyond what the app itself teaches. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna demonstrating CodeQuest Block to Code, an app that teaches kids programming through two connected modes, which is block mode, a drag and drop interface, and code mode, where the same puzzle is solved with a real code. There's also a guardian dashboard for parents or teachers to track a child's progress. Let's start by signing up as a players. On the login screen, switch to Create an Account and select the player's role. First, I will create a player account, which is this is the role a child would use, and I'll fill a nickname and password, then create the account. After signing up, the player lands on the home screen, which leads to two places, the level map to play and the dashboard to view their own progress. Tap on the level map. Here, levels are grouped by concept, which is sequencing, loop, and conditionals. Completed level show a check mark. The current one is highlighted and the locked one stay grayed out. Open a level. Here, in block mode, the players track commands to guide the robot to the flag. Tap this toggle to switch mode. It will go to code mode. It is the same puzzle, but it is solved by writing actual code with a command reference on the screen. Now, let's run the code, and the result will show here. Stars are based on how efficient the solution is, with instant feedback either way. Now that the player has made some progress, let's log out and sign up as a parent or teacher to see how that progress looks from their side. On the login screen, switch to create an account and select the parent-teacher's role. This time, I'll register as a guardian. Notice the extra field here, where it shows child's nickname. This is where the guardians links their account to the specific player they want to monitor. Enter the same nickname used for the player's account earlier and fill in the rest, then create an account. And here we are. This is the read-only guardian view. It shows the exact same stats as the player's own dashboard, which is the levels they have done, the total stars, badges they earned, and a concept mastery breakdown by topic. The guardian can check in on or progress anytime without being able to edit anything the player has done. Thank you.